name is Lee Tubbs, and I'm with Enviroguard Pest Solutions. We are at one of our commercial customers' property today that's having an ongoing issue with mice inside their gymnasium. And as you look around, you can see why they're having such a problem. A lot of growth here that needs to be trimmed back, and it's a natural habitat for field mice in particular. So everybody knows in a rodent IPM program, it's important to include pest proofing of the structure, and one of the things we are recommending is to install a Burrat rodent door sweep on the bottom of each of the doors. So I'm going to show you what one of these door sweeps looks like. This is a door sweep that we're going to attach to the bottom of this door. They come in 39 inches, and this door is known as a 36-inch door, but we measured it before we cut it because, as you know, it's not always what they say it is. So always remember to measure twice before you cut. So the way you're going to install this is it does have two-way tape stripping on the back side to attach it to the bottom of the floor. And the idea is to make sure that it's level with the ground here so that mice cannot get up underneath and back into the building. So I'm just going to pull this tape off, and let's see if we can attach this to the bottom of the door. That's it. It seems to be a perfect fit. And then it's got a film that you pull off. And what you have is a perfect door sweep designed to prevent mice from re-entering the building. And this will help us control the rodent population in this building. Thank you.